Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the multi-row section. The multi-row section allows you to display content across multiple rows, helping you create a clean, organized, and flexible layout. It's a great way to structure your store's content and improve the overall user experience, making it easier for customers to navigate and find what they need. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the multi-row section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the multi-row section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the multi-row section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for multi-row and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look, from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the multi-row section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. The image height setting lets you define how images appear within each row. Adapt to image keeps the original proportions for a natural look. Small reduces height for a compact, minimal layout. Medium provides a balanced height for most use cases. Large expands the image area to create a more immersive, visual-first section. The desktop image width option controls how much horizontal space the image occupies on larger screens. Small gives more room to text content. Medium creates a balanced layout between image and content. Large prioritizes visuals for stronger visual impact. With desktop content position, you can adjust how your text is aligned vertically within each row. Top positions content near the top for a structured layout. Middle centers content for a balanced and visually pleasing design. Bottom aligns content to the bottom for a more grounded appearance. The desktop image placement setting determines how images and content are arranged across rows. Alternate from left alternates images left and right across rows for a dynamic flow. Alternate from right starts from the right, then alternates for variation. Aligned left keeps all images consistently on the left. Aligned right keeps all images consistently on the right. You can also style each multi-row container individually using color schemes such as light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom, giving you full control over the look and feel of each row. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. To build your layout, click Add Block and select Row. Once added, you can upload an image for each row to visually represent your content. Inside each row, you can add the following content blocks: caption, description, single button, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your multi-row section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.